Hello, welcome to Database Management System tutorials. Today we are going to discuss about the data independence in DBMS. So let's move on. Agenda for today. What is data independence in DBMS? Different types of data independence and importance of data independence. What is data independence? So the separation of a data in application program is called data independence. It is an important feature of DBMS. It is the most important advantage of three-level architecture of a database. Major advantage of data independence is that any change in the lower level of architecture does not affect the structure in upper level of a database. So what's is the science behind this data independence? So data independence enable user to change the structure of a database without changing application programs. We have two types of data independence: physical data independence, and the second one is logical data independence. So let's understand this concept. If you remember, in the previous tutorial we have explained these things, the three level architecture of a database. Number one is external level or view level, where we provide view of the same different views or more than one view of the same data present in the database. For user 1 we provide view 1, for user 2 we provide view 2, and for user third we provide view 3. We have a conceptual level. Conceptual level is the level, or conceptual schema is the schema where the logic of a data is present, where logically the data is present in the database. And we have the physical level. Some kind of hard drives and files are present in this physical level. So that is why the database is divided into three sections or three level of architecture: the external level, which called the view; conceptual layer, which contain the logics present between the data; and the physical layer, where the data is physically stored in the database. So physical data independence. For example, if I want to change or update or change the indexes or storage of data in the internal level, so data independence help me to update this section without disturbing this conceptual level. So if I want to change something here, it will not affect my conceptual level, because we use abstraction. DBMS help us to update these things. So physical data independence enable user to change the internal level without changing the conceptual level. So it isolate the three level architecture. So it is because DBMS uses abstraction. So if a physical structure changes, DBMS is aware of these changes, but still provide the same logical view, so the logical view is constant. For example, if I want to change something here, it will not affect my this conceptual level. What I change? What I change at a physical level. Changing file organization or storage structure, using different storage devices, modifying indexes, changing the access method. So these changes might may occur in the physical level. So it will not affect the conceptual level. So it is the advantage of data independence. Logical data independence. So in the previous law, the physical data independence, we may change occur these here in this area, so it will not affect this logical view. So in this logical data independence, we apply changes here and it will not affect the view. So the user will see the same data present after the change occurred in the database. Such as logical data independence is the type of independence that enable the user to change the conceptual level without changing the external level. So some additional information may be added to the database by changing its logical structure. This change should not affect user interaction or application program. What changes may be apply or occur in the logical level? Changes such as additional or removal of entities and or relationships, adding a file to the database, changing the type of a field. So In the logical level, if we change if we apply changes here, it will not affect the view level or external level. So it is the advantage of data independence. Final thoughts. So with the help of data independence, it isolates the database, so we easily update our database, adding new feature to our database, because the data present in the database will not be affected, and the user will see the same data or the old data, improving the database, addition of a new feature easily, and improving database security, such as every day changes occur in the database. So it's all about the data independence. So data independence help us to isolate the database, because the database is divided into three level of architecture. So changes in the physical level will not affect the logical level, and changes in the logical level will not affect the view level or external level. So it is the biggest advantage of a database. So data independence. So it's all about the data independence. So if you have any query related to data independence, write your query in the comment section. Thanks for watching.